Okay, so what are my first impressions of these Adroit GMT watches by Vanbanner? Of course, you are getting a really well-made piece for your money. Three things really stood out with these watches, and here comes Millie, my puppy. Hey, Millie. You won't be able to see her on camera, but she is literally right there. Three things really stood out, and the first is this bracelet. And with the bracelet, the combination of finishing that is done throughout the watch. You have these square links that are polished. The outer links or around the squares are bead blasted, as well as the side of the case. You have a bit of a chamfer edge on that lug. And so this particular bracelet design is one that I haven't seen before, and it really just stood out to me. Second thing is the pop of red color on both of these dials, especially that red triangle. It's almost pink or fuchsia maybe. It is just really cool. It gives it some eye candy, and it's fully loomed as well. And I'll show the loom in the review of these watches. The third thing that really stood out to me, and this is a detail that I haven't seen on a micro brand or a lot of Seiko GMT movements, it has a 48 bi-directional bezel. And so there's 48 bi-directional. All right, so that's awesome. Moves both ways. Most of the watches that I have seen, it's just a unidirectional bezel. And so there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for the full review in about a week's time, I hope, of these beautiful watches just released by Vanbanner from Western Canada. Absolutely gorgeous. I bought this black one. LV, the owner, was kind enough to send me this blue one as well to show you for this unboxing and the full review. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my website where you can get some watches for sale. And yeah, appreciate you doing that, merlyontime.com. Well, thank you for watching another Merly on Time. Remember, wherever you're going, you need to have a great piece to wear on your wrist like these Vanbanner Adroit automatic GMTs. And remember, wherever you're going, get there on time. God bless, guys. See you in the next one.